I'm going to share a quick demo and first impressions of some products from Make Beauty. So starting off with their Diffusion Dew Radiant Skin Tint. I got this in the shade Light 1.5, which is described as a light with neutral undertones. This is supposed to be a skin mimicking type of skin tint that has pigments that add radiant coverage while blurring, smoothing, and brightening the skin. It's supposed to have sheer but buildable coverage. I personally find that this does have still a light coverage and still a rather sheer coverage. As you can see, I do have some post-acne marks, and this doesn't really cover those up. However, it does help to even out the skin tone a little bit, and I really do think this does look really pretty on the skin. It looks very skin-like. It gives my skin a really gorgeous, radiant glow, which is honestly what my go-to is if I ever want to wear an all-over type of skin product. So this is very, very pretty. It's easy to blend out. Next is their Skin Mimetic Concealer. I have this in the shade 03 Light C, which is described as light with neutral undertones. This is a buildable medium coverage with a radiant finish. That's what they claim it to be. I personally still think this is more of a light coverage, but this is ideal for spot coverage or layering over a foundation. You can also use this as a highlighter or a contour, but I found that I feel like the applicator itself didn't disperse a whole lot of product, but that's not a huge deal. You just add a little bit more, so you can't put a whole lot on at once. Next is the Infinite Brow Nano Pencil. I have this in the shade Cool Taupe. This is an ultra precise micro brow pencil that creates thin hair-like strokes. I found that this was pretty easy to work with. I was able to draw in some hair-like strokes. I feel like I need to get my brows done. My brows are a little crazy right now anyway, but I don't know. I don't always stay on top of that. So then next is the Infinite Hold Sculpting Brow Gel. This is in the clear shade, but they do have it in 3 shades. So clear, cool brown, and cool taupe. This is supposed to be a strong hold brow gel, and I do find that this does seem to hold hairs in place without it feeling sticky or crunchy or like hard, like sometimes brow gels can do. And then lastly is the Heat Stroke Dewy Gel Cheek Tint. This is in the shade Spice, which is described as a deep pinky nude. This is a gel tint that gives a dewy watercolor blush effect. This is available in 12 shades. I found that it was pretty easy to blend out. It looks really pretty and glowy and dewy on the skin. If you love a dewy type of finish or more kind of like no makeup type of looks, and I feel like these products do absolutely that. They're really pretty, kind of light coverage, and just look pretty natural, but give your skin a gorgeous radiant glow. So that is it. If you're interested in checking out any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, I have everything listed and linked in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.